How to unarchive photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and if you want to view your archive post, then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen, and under the How You Use Instagram tab, you will see the archive option. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to on top of your screen, tap on the drop down you see there and make sure the Post Archive option is selected. Further, go ahead and tap on the post that you want to unarchive and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for Show on Profile. Tap on that, and with this, if you go back to your profile, you can see that the post has been unarchived. So, this is how you can unarchive posts on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.